is called linear relation, okay? So before we do that, there is something I want to go through with you. This part, I think everybody should be no problem at all. But actually, no matter how good your math is, still there are some students is making mistakes on here. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one, okay? So negative 2 plus 6 equals 4. But do you understand why negative 2 plus 6 equals 4? So if you are putting negative 2 here, and plus means you're moving the dot from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get it? You get a 4. Okay, so negative 2 plus negative 3. So you find negative 2 first. And when you do plus and minus, that means negative 2 minus 3. So minus 3 means you're moving right to left. So 1, 2, 3. So that's why it's negative 5. Get it, everybody? So if you have mistakes, if you have problems, you just do something like that, okay? So we're not going to do the whole number. So everybody, I want to just quickly do those 4 questions yourself. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, calculate them yourself. Do
we send the answer to you?
No, you don't have to. Just tell me you're finished. Mm-hmm.
Done.
OK，已经有个小朋友做好了。OK，Ethan 做完。
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to just ask one of you to do that, okay? So, Oliver, can you tell me the first question's answer?
Negative 0.37.
Negative 0.37. Okay, good job. Okay, so everybody, if you have a problem doing this one, let me just put down your pencil, okay? Let me just give you some hints, okay? So, Michael, do you know how to do negative 3 plus 2? Of course, you know, right? So,
You
because
can just do like you can
it's
just
3 minus 2.
2.
Right? And you put a negative in front of it, right? So that's the same thing. You do 3.1 minus 2.73, and you put a negative in front of it. Understood? So that's the same thing, okay? So number C, Jasper, can you tell me the answer? 4.42 minus negative 2.6.
Wait, 1.82.
No. When you see negative and negative meet together, Michael, can you tell him it's including what?
Wait,
Equals,
this is, it's -4.
They are
For-
two negative, so
so
it's
it's 4.42 minus negative 2.6, so it's plus 2.6. So the answer is 7.02.
Okay.
yes, 7.02.
Okay, so next one.
Oh, it's
Next one, I want to ask you, this one's pretty easy.
1.825.
1.825, very good. Last but not least, negative 5.625 minus 3.8.
Negative 9.425.
Negative 9.42. Very good. Okay, so good job. Okay, so this is just a quickly review, okay, everybody? So now, I am not sure all of you still remember how to do the fraction, multiplication, and division. So I'm not going to ask you to do these ones. But we just do number, oh, sorry. Yeah. Don't move. A, C, and E. 最后三道题了, okay? So we're going to move to the something we're learning today.
Please shout it out. Like, what? Please send it in.
不用 send A.
Okay. Done.
Okay, very good. So just to quickly review, okay? So everybody, so Jasper, 3 and 1 over 2,
It's
we
not
do it 7 over 2 times 7 over 3. So the answer is 49 over 6. And leave the answer in the mixed fraction. So that's why equals what? Equals 8 and 1 over 6. Okay? So the second question, negative 27 over 5 times 10 over 3. So you can get it. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2, 5 divided by 5 equals 1, and 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 27 divided by 8 equals 9, so equals negative 18. Last one has 3 parts. So first of all, 15 over 4 divided by 9 over 8 times 27 over 25 equals 15 over 4 times 8 over 9, because it's divided by 9 over 8 equals times 8 over 9 times 27 over 25. So boys, divided by 5 equals 3, and divided by equals 5, and divided by 9 equals 3, and divided by 9 equals 1. And again, we have divided by 4 equals 2, and divide 4 equals 1. So the top is 3 times 2 times 3, which is 18, and the bottom is 5. So the answer is 3 and 3 over 5. Okay, so please check your answer. If you make any mistakes, remember to get some practice, okay? Because you know what? Some questions, the time you didn't practice, then you're gonna forget. 对不对? Okay, Oliver, did you get it all right? Okay, Daniel? Okay, good job. Okay, so Jasper, Michael, Ethan, did you get it all right? Mike? 都对了吗? Okay, so if you're all right, we're gonna move forward to today's thing. Okay, so everybody, you forgot, I know. 那个 Jasper 老师给你一点题目 practice 一下 okay? So today we're going to learn the linear system. Okay, 小朋友们，妈妈有没有给你们打印那个纸? Did mommy printed out the thing for you already?
Okay.
Yep.
So we have a line like that, okay? So we have a paper like that. Okay, it's just for help, for your help, okay? So let's take a look at this one, okay? So we have learned that thing is called coordinate system, right? And for the part here is called quadrant number 1. So I want everybody to take a look at this one. You have a plus plus here. Did you see? So do you understand what this plus and plus mean?
The numbers there are not negative.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So I'm gonna say all the points which located in quadrant 1 is having the paired order or positive. Do you understand this one? Everybody take a look, okay? So if I have this one is A, so you can read it, it's 3 and 2. Correct, Oliver? Correct, Jasper? Okay, so if I give you another B, and this B, the ordered pair is what? Is 1 and 4. Get it? All the numbers, all the points which is located in the quadrant 1, the ordered pair is always positive. Get it? Okay, so on the other hand, if a point is located on the quadrant 2, you can see all the x's 上面的读数是不是都是 negative 的? Get it? Okay, 那 quadrant 3呢是 both positive, sorry, both the x and y, the number is always negative, and quadrant 4 is positive and negative. So this is positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, and positive, negative. Okay, everybody? Remember? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. If I'm not giving you the picture, okay? So I want you to tell me这个颜色太刺眼了，老师换一个颜色。Okay, so let me just ask you, okay? So we have an ordered pair A, which is 0, 0. And 0, 0, isn't that here, everybody? Isn't that here? So this one have a name is called origin. Okay, understand, Ethan? Can you read after me? So it's called origin, okay? So Daniel? Okay, so now everybody, I want you to tell me B, C, D, E, F, and G, they're all located in quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take a look at this one. 3 and 2 is what? Is both positive. So that's why they're located on the quadrant 1. Okay, get it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your turn to do those questions, okay? Michael, 我们不要把那个头这样子弄着啊。对啊。
Do you have to draw like the lines?
No, you just think about it, yeah. 你看我们上面也有这个东西放在这 ，OK？ Okay, so let me just do one by one with all of you. Okay, so number C. Number C is a different one, right? So everybody, if you do that, it's -3 and 0. So number C, the point C is here. So it's not on quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4, but it is located on what, Michael?
B is okay.
C.
C is
C.
located on quadrant 2.
It's located on
The line.
axis, on the line. Okay,
Mm.
Michael? It's not on 2 or not 1 or 3 or 4. It's located on axis. Get it? Okay, so let me just ask number D, the same thing. So it's 0, 3. So Michael, can you tell me? The D is located on what?
D is located on the y-axis.
Very good. It's located on y-axis. Okay. So number E, Ethan, can you tell me? -3 and -4 is located on which quadrant?
The third quadrant.
In third quadrant. Very good. And 4 and -3, Oliver, can you tell me the number F is in which quadrant?
It's in like the fourth quadrant.
It's on the fourth quadrant. Very good. And -3 and 4, Daniel, can you tell me which quadrant it is like?
It's the II quadrant.
-3 and 4 is what?
2.
It's not I, okay, it's 2. Very
Like,
good. Two.
that's what it's called.
Yeah, it's 2. Okay, so very good, very good. Okay, so now today we're going to learn the thing is called linear equation. Okay, so everybody, before we learn this, math is about calculation or area or whatever. You can never put them together, right? But today I just to tell you, the line and math could be combined together. Okay, so first of all, I want everybody to have your own piece of this one ready. Okay, did you get the paper ready? Okay, so when you get the paper ready, I want you to build a y-axis and x-axis system on your paper.
What if I don't have like a paper like that?
我让你妈妈打印了。Mom didn't do it for you? Okay, so everybody, if you finish this one, I want you to put y here and put x here, okay? So this is 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And -1,
Okay.
-2, -3, -4. Okay, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is -1, -2, -3, and -4. I hope you understand because this one's a little bit too small for me, okay? So everybody, I am to give you a 1. It said y equals x. And I'm going to give you another one as y equals x plus 2. And I'm going to give you another one as y equals 2x plus 2. Okay, so we're going to do one by one. Okay, so today's class, I want all of you being extra careful. Okay, so when you see y equals x, I want you to make a table. So this is y, this is x. So everybody, when y equals 1, x equals what? Also 1, right? When x equals 2, y equals what? Y equals 2. And when y equals 0, x also equals 0. Correct, everybody? So now we have 3 points here is 1, 1, 2, 2, and 0, 0. So everybody, I want you to find out where is 0, 0, where is 1, 1, and where is 2, 2. And you're going to have a line here. And this line represent y equals x. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's do it little by little, okay? So don't worry about it. I'm going to help you for sure. Okay, so everybody. So this is your line. Oliver, did you get it? Okay, and let me tell you, this line can expand it. You can go all the way here and all the way there. So every single dot on this line that represent x, y equals x. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I'm going to undo another table, y and x. When x equals 0, so I'm going to use another color. So everybody, I'm going to use another color, x and y. So for this equation number 2, x equals 0, y equals what, Daniel?
Oh, sorry.
When x equals 0, y equals what?
2.
Very good. So when y equals 0, x equals what?
-2.
Very good, -2. So now I want you to find out these dots. We have a 0, 2, and -2, 0. Do we have these 2 points? Okay, so now we have 2 points. So 0, 2. 0, 2 is where? X is 0, y is 2. And x is -2, y is 0. So we have another line here, everybody. Get it? So this line represents y equals x plus 2. Get it, boys and boys? Okay, so now let's take a look at number 3. So y and x, okay, everybody? So now I want you to give me a number. So Michael, can you give me x equals what? You can just roughly give me a small number.
X equals -5.
X 小一点，小一点。
X equals -10.
I said smaller. I said like the number which is easier to calculate. 你说 -10， 这到时候就很大嘛，对呀。你就弄一个1吧。Okay, so x equals 1. How about like that? 好吧？ So when x equals 1, y equals what? Michael? When x equals 1, so x equals 1, right? So 2 times 1 plus 2 equals y. So y equals what?
Y equals 4.
Very good. Okay, so can you give me another one? How about x equals -1? So if x equals -1, y equals what?
Y equals 2 times -1 plus 2.
So 2 times -1 plus 2 equals what? So 2 times -1 plus 2, you don't know how to do it. So 2 times -1 equals what? Equals what? 2 times -1 equals -2. Michael?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. So -2 plus 2 equals what?
0.
Very good. So now we have 2 points, 1, 4, and -1, 0. Correct? So now everybody, let's find out these 2 points. So 1, 4 is here, and -1, 0 is here. So everybody, I'm going to connect these 2 line dots. It's not right. I'm going to connect those ones. And this blue line represent y equals 2x plus 2. Okay, everybody, I want you to start do your own thing, okay? So Oliver, Daniel, Mike, Michael, Jasper, and Ethan, I want you to exactly do the same thing and draw the 3 lines on your own page. And everybody, you don't have to copy my dots. You can find your own dots, but everybody, you should have 3 lines on your paper as well. Jasper, understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so any of you, if you don't understand how I get these 3 lines, you have time to ask me right now.
Carrie, I'm done.
Okay.
Do I have to
Okay,
show it to
okay,
Yeah.
so if you know how to do it, everybody, you are going to ask to do 3 lines yourself. Okay, so I'm going to give you y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals negative x plus 4 and y equals half x. Okay, everybody, 1, 2, 3, 3 lines. Now I'm going to help you for sure, but you're going to help yourself and exactly follow my steps, boys and boys, okay? So find the dots and collect them, okay? And there's a one thing I want to emphasize here, okay? So it's y and x because the y is earlier, so x is later. But when you do the pair, so it's because all we need to do，当我们在找那个点的时候是 x 在前面，y 在后面的，知道吗？OK，不要换错了啊，放错了就不行。
Wait, so it's X first, right?
Yeah, x first. Yes, you're right.
Wait, Carrie.
Uh-huh.
If you chose a number for x, do all of the x's in all the questions have to be the same?
So you can do
They
whatever
don't?
you want. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
但是刚才为什么 Michael 跟我说什么 -10 啊，-5啊，我会说不好，因为当你把这个数字弄得很大的时候，你自己的 calculation 就会很麻烦嘛，对不对，Michael？对吧？你小一点的数字，你就不用去找很大的数字。
Smaller number, negative or smallest.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. I just said the number itself is small.
Carrie, what if your 3 dots don't form a line?
啊，
What if your 3 dots don't form a line?
那说明你其中有一个算错了。好了，有做好的小朋友们，OK, Oliver, can you tell me for the, so how about Oliver, give me a hint of y equals 2 plus x. So which number you pick up for x?
1.
You pick for 1, so y equals what?
3.
Okay. So can you give me another value for x?
2.
2. So y equals what?
5.
Equals 5. So can you tell me the 2 points, for instance, A and B? So can you tell me the A and B's points is what?
Do I just like draw it? Or-
No, can you tell me like A and B? So I just want to make sure you understand which number is first, which number is
So
second.
it's like 1, 3,
Okay,
and then B is like 2, 5.
very good. Okay, so now Oliver, can you help me find out these 2 dots? Do you want to, I can do it for you if you want. Yeah, very good. And another one. Very good. Okay, so basically, Daniel, you only needed 2 points to just create a line.
Wait, you only
Correct,
need
boys?
2 points?
对啊，2个点就可以形
I
成。
thought it was 3.
No, you can do 3, but it doesn't matter. But the thing is, the smallest one we can just emphasize. We can just make sure.
Oh, okay. That's what I was.
Correct. Very good. Okay. So y equals 2x plus 1. Good job, Oliver. Very good. Okay, number 2, Daniel, can you tell me y equals negative x plus 4? So which 2 numbers you pick for x and y?
I think I picked 1,
Mm-hmm. So y equals,
and then y equals 3.
mm-hmm. So another x?
Another x, 2.
2. So y equals?
2.
Okay. So can you tell me the 2 points A and B? So can you tell me the 2 points is ordered pair?
1 and 3 and 2 and 2.
1 and 3 and 2 and 2. Very good. Okay, so now can you tell me, can you do it on my paper? So you can just
Okay. Let me try to do this. Wait, I can't really do this because it's
okay,
I'm,
it's too
I'm
small.
like mobile.
Okay, so
Yeah, it's
1
little
and
bit.
3. So 1 and 3 still have this point, right? 是不是跟那个一样？跟 Oliver 一样，Oliver 这个动它是不是也要用？是不是？这个点它是不是也要用？ So he used this point as well, and 2 and 2. 2 and 2 is here. So everybody, I'm going to connect these 2 dots. So everybody, this line represents y equals -4 plus, sorry, y equals -x plus 4. Okay, Jasper and Ethan and Michael, did you get the same thing? Oliver, 你是跟我们一样的线吗? Did you get the same line? Okay, good job. Okay, next one, y equals half x. I'm going to call Ethan. Ethan, can you tell me which x you picked?
Huh?
Which x you picked?
3.
So you pick 3? Okay, Ethan. So you know what? The number is not randomly picked, okay? Because you see, if you pick 3, y equals 3 over 2. It's not a very good pick, right? So can you look at y equals x over 2? So x will be better, which one?
4.
Very good. If x is 4, y equals what?
2.
Very good. Can you give me another x value?
6.
How about 2? 2 divided by 2 equals what?
1.
Equals 1, right? So you have 4, 2, and 2, 1. Get it, everybody? So I'm going to do another one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. So this one, and 2, 1. This one. So if you connected them, so this is a line represent y equals x over 2. Get it, Oliver? Did you get it right? Jasper, Michael, and Mike. Did you get all of you? Did you get it right? 都对了吗? So nobody want to answer me?
Yes.
So Jasper, you get the same line as I did.
Oh,
Ethan, did you get all of them right?
Yeah.
Okay, Michael, how about you? Michael, I cannot hear you. Michael.
Sorry, I was mute, I guess.
Okay, yeah, you melted. So did you get it right?
Well,
Which part you're making mistakes?
I thought it was random too.
Hmm?
I thought it was random.
Yeah, it's random. It's random number, but the
Oh,
line.
we get to we get to make our own lines.
Yeah, 但是我说这个 line 的这个位置是不是跟我一样？
concept 不一样。
看起来不一样，就是你要告诉我，那你
不是，这不是你画，我画这个那个线不一样。
对啊，那你告诉我，你哪一根线跟我不一样，还是3条线都不一样？
都3条线都不一样。
都3条线都不一样。OK， 好，那你把第一个里面的 x 和 y 的值给告诉我，你选的是什么
？1和2。
1和2，但你的值不对啊。
不，
那 y 等于2x 加1，对不对？好了，你说 x 等于1，那是不是这个x 没有了，变成1啦？那老师问你，2乘以1等于几
2，然后再3。
对啊，那你这里怎么能写2？这是3啊。
不是，算了，
明白了吗？
我明白了。
So it's not like x and y are random. Is you can only pick one number random. You're using one number to define another numbers. Get it? If you pick x 等于1，那你就不能再 random pick y 了，知道吗？因为你的 x 等于1，所以你的 y 等于3。那你说老师，我能不能先 pick y 呢 ？Michael, stop taking notes. You look at me first, OK? 那有些小朋友说，我不想先猜 x。我先 random pick y 可不可以？当然可以。那有些小朋友说，我愿意 y 等于5，或者我不要跟那个 Oliver 一样，我愿意 y 等于0，可不可以 Oliver？ 可以的，对不对？Okay, so that means y is 0 right now. So 2x plus 1 equals 0. So 2x equals what? -1. So x equals what? -half. So when y equals 0, x equals -half. 看到了吗, Michael? So you
Okay.
cannot randomly pick two numbers. You either pick x or you pick y. And using the x or y's value to define y or x's value. Understand, Jasper? Okay, Michael, it's actually a very good question. Daniel, I think you understand, right? So if you don't understand this part, it's very good to ask right now. Okay, so everybody, based on these three, I'm going to give you another set of 3 lines, okay? So of course, this time it's going to be harder, something different. Okay, so let me just give you the line. We only do 2, okay? Okay, so everybody, only 2 questions. So your turn. Please find out the line of these 2 equations.
Carrie,
Yes?
is it we take question 1 and make a dot, and then take question 2 and make a dot, and then draw a line? Or
Yeah.
is it question 1 has
It's the same thing. I want to see the line. Yeah.
wait, so there's only 1 line?
No, 1 line and 2 line.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, of course.
Carrie,
Yes.
what's the for your first question? What's the 2y mean? Like
That's the equation. So you do the same thing.
the
Y.
answer is 2y.
Yeah, so 2 times y. 2 times x.
No, but we don't know why yet.
Yeah, but you random pick a one. Like for the earlier question, that's the same thing. You pick either a y value or you pick a x or random pick of x value. It's up to you. Which number, which value you like. Though before I don't like 10, but if you like 10, you can just make them 10. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Any number is fine. Okay, so how about first one? So, Oliver, did you finish? Daniel? Ethan?
I finished.
Okay, Michael?
Okay.
How about we just we help Michael pick a number. So Oliver, you gonna pick X first or you pick Y first?
X.
Yes. Okay, so Michael, pick up X will be easier for you to calculate the value of Y. Okay, so I'm going to pick a smaller number. You can even pick 0. Okay, so because the smaller the
Starting
number, the easier the calculation. So I pick 0 for X. So if X is 0, so 2 times X will be 0 plus 4 equals 2Y, right? So Oliver, could you please help Michael? So if 4 equals 2Y, so Y equals what?
Y equals 2.
Get it, Michael? Okay, Jasper, can you give me another value of X?
2.
Okay, so if you pick 2, so 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4
4.
plus 4 equals 2Y. So 8 equals 2Y. So Y equals what?
What?
4 plus 4 equals 8. So 8 equals 2Y. So Y equals what? So
4.
8 equals 2Y. So 2个 Y 等于8。
4,
那
it's
一
4.
个 Y 等于多少？
Y equals 4.
Very good. Okay, so boys and boys, we have 0, 2, and 2, 4, correct? So easily enough, we find 0, 2, 2, 4, and we connect it. Sorry, this is a very bad connection. Get it, everybody? So this pink line represents 2x plus 4 equals 2y. Get it? Okay, so the next one, x, y, and x. So Ethan, can you give me a number of x? So this one, x minus y equals 2. We're going to first to find out x or first to find out y. 一样的，对不对？3, 1, 4, 2，可不可以？ It's the same thing because 3 minus 1 equals 2, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Understood, Michael?
Understood.
Yeah, okay. So if it's like that, we have a 3, 1, and 4, 2. So we're gonna find out these 2 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, which is this one, and 3, 1, which is here. So we have 2 dots, and we connected them. So these 2 lines represent 2 equals x minus 1. Oliver, did you get the same line with me? Daniel? Ethan? Yes, Jasper and Michael? So this part is the hardest part for every single student is going to high school, okay? So if you want to learn your math very well, okay, everybody get it? Okay, so now last but not least, okay, so I'm going to ask you, this is a final one, okay? I hope you all understand. So x plus 2 equals y. Could you please find out what is line of this, everybody? I want you to see this one, number 3. This is last one, x plus 2 equals. 好了，有人画好了吗？ Okay, I hope everybody is find out something I already find. Okay, Oliver, if you finished, and Daniel, I know 2 of you are doing really quick, and Ethan, after you finished it, math is not always about calculation. Math is about you need to think about something. Okay, if you find out the line, you already did the line. I want you to find out something with me. So, Jasper, please give me a number of x, any number. But don't make yourself very hard time, okay? So give yourself an easy time.
1.
X equals 1, so y equals what?
Y equals 2.
X equals 1, y equals 2. 你是瞎编的吗 ？x 等于1，
Yeah,
2
3.
等于3，所以你告诉我等于2，所以 y 等于多少
3.
Very good, thank you. And Jasper, give me another number of x.
3.
Y is not 0.
0.
Yeah, so smaller the better. So 0 plus 2 equals what? Y equals what?
Y equals 2.
Okay, so we have 2 points. 1, 3, and 0, 2. Correct, Michael? Did you find out? We have
I used 0 to 2.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, 0 to 2. Okay, which one doesn't matter? But we need to find out on the coordinate system. So 1, 3 is here. And 0, 2 is where? 0, 2 is here. Huh. I think we make some mistakes. 0, 2 and 1, 3.
My question 2 and question 3 are on the same line.
Yeah, it should be this one. 但是为什么不一样？等一下我看一下。Yeah, somebody making mistakes. Oh, sorry, I make mistakes here. X equals 2. Y equals 4. Yeah. So 2, 4. So 1, 3. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's here. So if I connect them, Did you find out? It's actually a same line. This purple one and this pink one. Get it, Oliver? Okay, so now I want you to take a look at this one, okay? So the pink one is 2x plus 4 equals 2y. And the purple one is x plus 2 equals y. I want you to find out why these two lines are the same. 为什么这两条线重合了？
Because because the second one is just wait, no, the first one is just 2 times of the second one.
Very good. Because the first one, if you divide it by 2 for both left side and right side, the equation is still the same. This is exactly x plus 2 equals y. So they are the same. Get it, boys and boys? Understand? Okay, so AKA, if I give you something like that, 3x plus 6 equals 9y. And x plus 2 equals 3y. Are they the same or not the same?
They're the same.
Same.
The same.
They're
They are the same, understood? Okay, so if you have 4x plus 8y equals 8, and I have another x minus 2 equals negative 2y. Are they the same or not the same? I want you to take a look at this.
They're
好，看好了，有没有人知道两个是一样的还是不一样的
不一样的。
？OK，好 ，Daniel 说不一样，有没有人不一样？
like the first one x for the first one the x would be 0 and y will be 1. So it'll make
Everybody, if I divide it by 4, both left side and right side equals what? Equals x plus 2y equals 2, correct? And if I move this one here and this one move it here, so it will be x minus 2 equals negative 2y. So everybody, these two lines is the same as well. Get it? 小朋友们看到了吗？所以这
Yeah.
两条线也是一样的 ，OK? So that is our today thing. I know it is totally different than the thing we learned it before. Okay, so now we're back to the thing, okay? So we already know how to use an equation to find a line. So if I already told you the spots and I want you to find out the equation, so backwards, how do we do it? Do you understand what I mean? Okay, so if I have a line like that, okay, so let me show you. So I have a axis and I have a y-axis. I'm gonna move it here, okay? So if I have this one and I have a line, I have a dot. This one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and another one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 1. Okay, I know these two dots. And of course, everybody, these two dots form a line, correct? 对不对, Oliver? 这两个点是不是会 form 一个 line? But my question is, I want you to tell me this line's equation. 就是y equals mx plus b. So I want you to tell me this one. How do we do it? Understood? So we're going to learn this one. So I want
X plus y equals 8.
okay. So how do we know the points and backwards to find out what is the equation? So this is something we're learning today. Okay, so I want everybody to put this slope intercept form, I want you to copy this one on your notebook. Please copy this one on your notebook.
What if you don't have a notebook?
那你在上课要的啊。OK， 抄好了吗，小朋友们？ So if you already calculated, so we're going to move back. Okay, so trust me, this is the last part which is killing you right now. Okay, I know. 这个跟你们以前学的东西都不一样，对不对？好了 so everybody, I want you to put this one here, okay? I need you to copy exactly what I'm doing by one. So it's x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, everybody, I think you have the equation is m equals what? Equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, correct? So, Daniel, can you tell me what is y2 minus y1 for this equation, for these two dots?
Y2 minus Y1
Mhm.
equals 20.
No. y1,
Oh, that one.
y2 is 5. So y1, sorry, y2 is 1, y1 is 5. So it's 1 minus 5. Get it? So Oliver, can you tell me x2 minus x1 equals what?
4.
It's 7 minus 3. Correct, Oliver? Okay, so very good. So the answer is negative 4 over 4 equals negative 1. Get it, everybody? So this equation, we already have the half is y equals negative x plus b.
Wait, but Carrie,
Mhm.
how does that work out? Like, how do you know it y equals negative x plus b?
Because we have m is here. M equals negative 1. So y equals mx plus b. This is my equation, the formula.
Oh, okay.
Got it? So because m equals negative 1, so y equals negative plus b. So I'm going to stop here, everybody. You understand it, okay? So we're not going to look for b yet. So everybody, I'm going to give you another sets of numbers, okay? So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and negative 3. This is a. And I'm going to give you another point. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and negative 7. Okay, so boys, I'm going to give you another sets of the number, and I want you to find out the new, another one, y equals mx plus b. So I want you to find out this m equals what. Okay, so just to practice.
Wait,
Okay.
but Carrie, which one is y1? Which one's y2?
So I already do it. X1, Y1,
Oh, okay.
Y2. It doesn't matter. Okay, so Oliver, Daniel, sorry. If you want to name this set, if you want to say, 你说老师，我想这个 x2，这个 y2，这个x1，这个 y1 可不可以？当然可以，但是有一个不可以啊，小朋友看好了，因为我有学生这样的，他说我这里是 x1，这里是 y2，这里是 x2，这里是 y1，这样行不行？不可以 ，OK？So x1 and y1 must be together, and x2 and y2 must be together. Understand, Daniel? Understood? Okay. So 好了吗 M? Okay, so Oliver, can you tell me what is the value of M?
M M is 1.
Okay, so you think it's 1? Okay, so Daniel, what is your value of M?
I think M is 10.
Okay, you think M is 10. Okay, 好 Michael, 你有没有做出来？
Yes. I think that n is 9.
Okay, so 小朋友们啊，老师跟你们讲，我让你们做的时候，如果你们不会做 ，you can ask me to go back to the example. Okay? 那我来问你 M 等于多少 ？Michael, you should be already calculated, right? Jasper, what is your value of M? You don't know? OK. 好，如果不知道，就老师在等你们做的时候，可不可以问老师？老师我不会，因为 Daniel 他每次不会，他马上就问。OK，好不好？每个小朋友问没有关系的，因为我们这个的确是很难，很多小朋友都不会。就算是 Oliver 和 Daniel 都做了，你看他们两个人答案不一样，有可能都是错的，对不对？但 Jasper, I don't want you to waste your time here, right? So math is serious, 对不对？如果你不会，你就直接问，好不好？老师有没有打你？因为你会问问题，会不会打的？那你看 Daniel 老师问问题，他有没有被我打死 ？Daniel, are you still alive? 对啊，对不对？那 Michael 老师问你，老师是因为你问了问题会打你屁股呢，还是你不问问题然后装懂我会打你屁股？你自己说。Which one I'm going to kick your butt?
And then nothing.
Yeah. Okay, 不要害怕的，对不对？Okay, so we already have the equation is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Get it? So Michael and Jasper, I want you to take a look at the board, okay? So where is y2? 在哪里啊？不是在这里吗？ Michael 看到了吗？ So negative 7. Oliver 看到了吗？ Okay, minus negative 3. Get it? Because y1 is negative 3, y2 is negative 7. Okay, divided by x2. So 3 minus 4. Get it? So none of you get it right. Negative 7 plus 3 over 3 minus 4. So the answer is negative 4 over negative 1. So the answer is 4. So m equals 4. Get it, everybody? 好，所以这个题目在什么地方会有掉进去呢？Daniel 什么地方错啊？Daniel 错就错在这个地方，对不对，Daniel？你以为是负7减3等于负10，负10除以负1等于10，对不对？对不对？But at least I know which part you're making mistake. 好了 ，Oliver 呢，压根就没有算。You randomly give me a number. Oliver，我说的对不对？啊那个 Carrie 老师是发现了你的小秘密，对不对？是吧？OK，it doesn't matter. OK，好，小朋友们没关系，好不好？老师再给你们一个 OK。So C and D，每个小朋友自己做 4 and 1。
No, I did it one because I thought that was the 7 was the -7 was a -4 because the two was blocking it. So I don't-
OK，可是亲爱的，你看这个点在这里，so it's 3 and -7. Get it? So the point is here. But now, okay. So Oliver, this one I give you a better one. This one, is it clear? Is this one clear? Okay, good job. Okay, Michael and Jasper. Mike,
it's clear.
it's clear. Okay. So C and D, please find out the slope for me. The m equals what? Okay.
Wait, 4. Wait, it's
你跟老师一样，看到没有？
x. It's x first, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Shut up! I forgot I was muted.
啊？怎么了，Jasper？为什么倒下去了？
What? No. What? Huh? Oh. Oh, I forgot.
哪个地方 forgot？
No, I forgot. Like, no, I was still in a call apparently.
So do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
I finished. I finished.
OK，好，有人小朋友做好了，很好。So 小朋友们，你有没有跟老师一样，在做这个题目的时候怎么样？我会怎么样？我会在这里 x1 y1 x2 y2写，对不对？OK，so it's going to help me. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. OK，好，小朋友都很多都做好了，请你 send it to me over chat, please. Send it to me over chat. M equals what?
Wait, what? M equals what?
Yeah,你说你做好了，那你做好了什么？你告诉我。What do
We're
you
supposed we're supposed to send it in the chat.
Yeah.
Oh, you're supposed to send chat, but oh, yeah, I actually know.
Wait, how do you calculate the slope again?
Jasper, I have everything put it on the board. M equals x, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and this is y1, this is y2, this is x1, this is x2.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Michael, M is only one number. It's being calculated by our 2 points. Okay, so
Actually, I know what the answer is, and I'll just type it in again.
okay, so let's take a look at this one. So M is a number, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So Michael, can you tell me, for these 2 points, y2 equals what? Y2 is here, did you see? Y2 is 3. So it's 3 minus 1 divided by 7 minus 4. So the answer is 2/3. Good job, Ethan. Very good. And Oliver, good job. Okay? So Daniel. 你叫爸爸给你开一个，爸爸没给你开。没有。你叫他给你开一个，里边的东西不要吃，放那儿很不好。
Wait, what?
Okay, so Mike, Michael, Jasper, Ethan, Daniel. I think Oliver understand. Ethan understood. Very good. Daniel, did you calculate what is M to me? Did you send it to me?
Can understand. That
Wait,
isn't the formula for M?
I sent it to you, but I just added a negative at the start.
Yeah. So you.
here,
Wait, isn't that the formula for M? But when you said that for question D, when you said x equals 7 and then x equals 3, isn't like y to the power of 1 equals.
No, this is not power. It's y2. It's just a y1 and y2. 因为有两个
y
y.
1 equals 3, then and y2
Yeah,
Well,
y2. No,
y2 is 9.
where's 9 comes from?
Because y equals 3 and 3 to the power of 2 is 9.
我没有 power 啊，谁让你 power 了呀？这个不是 power，这就是 y2，这是一个因为它有两个 y 的值嘛，我要把这两个值区别开来。这个是 y1，this is y2。
And then how did you get 3 minus 1 over
Because
7?
y2 is 3. So M is having an equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Do you understand? This is a formula, right? So you need to find out the value of y2. Where's y2? It's 3. And where's y1? Here is 1. There's no calculation at all for these things because these are 2 points. I told you. There are 2 points. So 如果你说啊，老师我不喜欢这个，我不喜欢 this is y1. I want this one is x2. This is y2. This is x1. This is y1. Yes, you can do this as well.
Which
So it's going to be
didn't-
1 minus 3 over 4 minus 7. That's the same thing.
You didn't tell me that they were in the same question. I thought they were separate.
那我们最前面的时候在做什么事情呀？你看这最早的第一个里面，我告诉你两个点，一个点是3、5，一个点是7和1，对不对？所以5是 y1，3是 x1。It's not power. There's no power at all. Power 是 x1 和 y square，这是在上面的，这个 y 在下面的，就跟 square 没有任何关系啊。So do I do any calculations? y2 minus y1. So y2 equals 1. And y1 equals 5. So it's 1 minus 5. Did I calculate it? I just copy it up. So x2 equals 7. And x1 equals 3. Okay, so I have already recorded this part and this part and this part. So I give you 3 definitions for this one. 这里一共有3道题 ，Michael。第一道题在这个点，在这里；第二道题的点在这里；第三道的题的点在这里。那你回去看一下录像，如果不懂的话，你到时候再问我，好不好？
Okay.
OK，那个 Michael 是对的，sorry，Oliver 是对的，Ethan 是对的，Daniel 是对的，Mike 没有发给我 OK，Daniel，你是不是又那个数字抄错了？对不对？Daniel，
Oh, sorry.
对啊，你是
kind of.
negative 2 over 3，应该是 positive 2 over 3，好吧？
I know.
对啊，还是在计算要做一下，好不好？OK，那 that's it for today's class。OK，Michael，你回去要重新看一下录像，从头开始看。OK，从每一道题，一道题如果不懂，再回去重新看。还有 Jasper，你要重新看一下，明白吗 ？OK，从我们开始画图开始，每一道题就回去重新看一下。Oliver 都会了，对吧？Oliver。Okay, good job. Okay, so that's it for today's class. I'm going to see each other.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.